You can also set up your Galaxy Watch Ultra to detect any hard falls, and for that simply go in settings, go in safety and emergency, and here if you scroll down you will see hard fall detection. So by default this is turned off, so you have to turn it on from here. And then you can also turn on require a swipe to call. So if the watch detects a fall, it will then launch the emergency SOS, but it will not make the call to the emergency services unless you swipe the SOS call button. So this is your protection against making accidental calls to emergency services. In case it's a false positive, you don't want your watch making calls to emergency services for false positives. So that is why there is a layer of protection here. And then you can also play a warning sound after a fall is detected. You can test that sound here as well. Play sound on both watch and phone, so you can play the sound on your watch as well as on your phone. And then you can select the emergency number here. And then this is the important part, when to detect falls: only during workouts or always. So if you have a condition where you are anticipating a fall at any time, you can set it to always. But then you can also turn this feature off, require swipe to call, because otherwise your rescue can be delayed or stopped if you are unable to swipe the final button to make the call. So that's important. It's up to your preference. Look at your situation and then make all these settings.